Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to transfer money from PayPal to GCash. And to do so, it's very easy. This tutorial will be made on the mobile app of GCash. So let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing, of course, you will have to open the GCash app. And then once you have opened GCash app, go to the Cash In option in the home page. Click on Cash In and then search for PayPal, or you will find it in the first options. But just in case you don't find it, just search for PayPal. Now choose PayPal, and then here in the amount, just type your amount. Make sure that it's less than 500,000 and less than your PayPal balance, or at least equal to your PayPal balance at most. And then enter your amount. Here I chose 3,051. And then here, if I go to my balance, you will see that it has been added in less than 24 hours. In my case, it has been done instantly, but it can take up to 24 hours just to verify with PayPal that you have the sufficient funds. And that's it basically. There is nothing really hard to do in this manipulation. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If there is anything that you haven't understood in this video, like how to link your account or something like that, I have probably made a video about it in the past. So, you can type how to mastery, how to connect PayPal to Gcash, or any question that you have. I have probably made another video on it. So yeah, don't worry about that. I have you covered. Now, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.